The kind is that their lights have been a huge advantage to us, as much for the company and their desire to be innovative with me, as much for the lights themselves. I liked the way that they handled themselves and the way that they put together. A diode is a diode. Everybody's kind of blending diodes, but the way that they worked with the heat sink and their extrusions, the way that they put it together, and their support of an idea that I'm sure the first time I told them about this, they thought that I was out of my mind. But they embraced it, from there, all the way from their top engineers, all the way down to their support staff was probably the hugest advantage over a lot of different companies that I ever talked to early on in this stage. Working with them, it was what set them apart. Yeah, when I was in the process of choosing kind to pick a lighting company, I had some criteria that I had in the design that they had to meet, number one. And I for sure, when I was looking into the industry and its development, because my intent was never short term. It wasn't to turn this into a quick turnaround. This was a long-term play for me. I knew that LED was the future. So that was the first criteria, that the company had to be LED. And then I had to have, an innovative company that was willing to change and adapt and blend with the industry, because it was changing drastically. Even since I started this, has changed a lot. And then relative to, for me, it was about quality of the entire package. And so that was a huge component of why Kind, got to the top of the list with it, is they met they checked all the boxes.